Welcome back, everybody. What a wonderful day. Thank you to you. We are now finally monetized once again. So overnight, YouTube determined that we have enough watch time worthy of being monetized. So we're back on track to possibly having a little bit of money coming in from the videos. So thank you. That's all up to you. Now, what I was doing today was I have a new inbox Stanley number 4 that I was cleaning, because sometimes when tools, even brand new, even oiled or waxed, sitting on the shelf for a number of years, can get oxidation on them, rust. Now, normally, this is my number 3 off the shelf, and I don't use the number 3 often, so there are a couple of little markings, not much, maybe a little bit up here, which doesn't really bother me, but if it does you, get yourself some maroon Scotch-Brite or abrasive pad. This is recommended by some of the modern makers of high-end planes, and you just go with the original machine marks. Okay, you go with, it's almost like with wood, you go with the grain, you go with the original machine marks, and you just polish it a little bit. That's all. Maybe a little bit around the nose, and that's it. I take a little bit of Ballistol, wipe it on everything, help prevent any future oxidation. And that's it. Make sure you wipe your blades, set down too after each sharpening with a little bit of oil. So thanks again, everybody. It's because of you that the channel is growing, and if you continue to like, subscribe, share, leave some comments, questions, thumbs up, that's all helping us move forward. And we shall see where we go from here. All right? It's up to you. Keep your tools clean, waxed, oiled, and dry. And they'll last you and someone else a lifetime. Walter out.